テーブルを元の位置にお戻しください。ドアクローズド時、機内での携帯電話での通話は禁止されております。電子タバコ、一切の喫煙、煙や蒸気の出る器具のご使用はフィリピンの航空法で禁じられております。
Pagawa po natin sa bali-barang pagdaigdig ng Kansai, Manila ang pagdating. From time to convenience, it is now 23 minutes past the hour of 6:80 local time. For your information, there's a time difference between Manila and Osaka. Osaka is ahead by an hour. The ground temperature is at 9 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious at opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Nangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hindi matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipalang sa inyo na ang paggamit ng panikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Pacific team and of our flight deck crew, Captain Garcia and First Officer Pagilinan, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly into more fun in the future.
Dapat umaga. Ang lamig no? Ang lamig. Hello. Ang saya. Are you ready, bitches?
Sumakses tayo lahat. Sumakses.
Sumakses. lumpia. Amoy lumpia, Abi.
For the vlog, for the vlog.
For the vlog. Sumakses na yung mga to. Ito yung mga sumakses.
Pagpawisan ka to na. Ay, si card.
Anas kami gonna go.
Pwede rin mag-load dito ng
The big hall. Anas kami
May pera ka na kasi.
Try ko ang pwede. Alam ko pwede na mag-load ng ID card.
Sumakses. Bibi, nasan ka?
Feels like 0 degree.
Say hi! Oh hi! Oh hi! Check. Ang dami. Short ka pa, Bi, ah.
Maraming bento, machine dito.
Lakad na kami. Ito saan? Bala ka, kami lalabas. Ano, Bi? Kaya pa? Safe ba dito, Bi, mag-cellphone? Bi, safe ba dito mag-cellphone, Bi?
Oo naman. Meron ata dito kasi malaki yung family match ko. Meron pa doon, ang family match ko.
Oo.
Oo, meron pa lang malapit naman dito. Di ba, may family match pa doon. Saka doon, dami.
Doon na natin, no, diretso lang.
Bawat kanto doon, dami.
Doon? What the heck?
Yung picture na natin.
Ayan na, pagkalabas natin.
Ah, ja, das.
Dami restaurant dito. Sa street natin. Dito na tayo banda din.
Alas dito ko.
May Family Mart din, oh. Huwag kang humingiti dyan.
Yung kamay ko parang may hawak na yelo.
Sumimasen.